And sometimes people don't believe it, but it's a reality. We have seen it. Ugandans have experienced the past 3 weeks when the heat was so high. People in South Sudan started dying because of the climate change, because of the heat. So it's a reality. It's no longer something that we are hearing about. We are seeing it in our own country. When the rain comes, it comes so velocious. So this is where we are. South Africa, I was watching the news, and there was one farmer who had about 10,000 acres of wheat, 10,000 acres of maize. It's all gone. The heat wave heated it, it's all gone. So if we do not use the rains that have started, and I'm appealing to every Ugandan, wherever you are, at least to grow some little food that you can grow for your family. If grow some vegetables, plant some things. Because if you do that, then you will not suffer the high prices of food. Ever since we had the food prices skyrocketed, it has not come down. It has not come down, and I don't think it's going to come down because of inflation, because of high prices of fuel, and because of the sheer nature of economics around the world globally. So I'm appealing to the people to really do everything possible. Now, we've talked about what can we do as Uganda to mitigate the facts of the drought. Drought is coming, famine is coming, everything is coming. How can we solve this? We are a country that God has blessed, that even if it's 3 weeks or 4 months without rain, it will rain because of the bigger water bodies, larger water bodies we have, Lake Victoria, Lake Choga, Lake Albert, River Nile. Those helps us to be able to get rain, not to be in a drought for quite a long time. But we are not doing a good job in conservation, like water, planting more trees, because the Kalahari is expanding, Sahara is expanding. So the key is for us to be able to do that. We need now to go irrigation. And the water that is coming down here, if we are really serious about agriculture as the number one employer of our population, then we need to develop man-made lakes. Man-made lakes in valleys where we know that this is a valley, people can't live in this valley, and they're not going to entrench on this valley. We use those, we turn them into man-made lakes. Like the Kabaka's Lake was dug by people. It's been here for how long? Since before I was even born. It's still there. So if we go to communities that we know they are our food basket, then we develop those man-made lakes. They will retain enough water for irrigation purposes, even for fishing, even for other building of industry. So we need a different discussion on agriculture, because what we are facing now is going to get worse unless we do something about it.